Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely donut bun using this crochet hair. You can also use this hair for kinky. It's a kinky hair. This is expression crochet kinky hair. So you can see what I'm doing. I put the donut bun, I put it on my mannequin head, then I use a pin to hold it down to make sure it's secure so that it won't be shifting when we start crocheting on the donut bun. So now I'm going to cut the hair. I'll cut this hair, I'll cut it into 3. Yes, because I don't want it to be too long. If you want it shorter than this, you can cut it into 4, but the length I want, I'm going to be cutting this kinky hair into 3. So after I'm done cutting that into 3, you can see I've already started crocheting already. Just keep crocheting. I knot only once, then I keep crocheting round the donut bun, round. It remained a little bit to be half pack of the hair I used, so I didn't use all to have. It remained a little bit, so keep on watching, guys. So when I'm done crocheting, I'll use my hand to flop it out, then I will trim a little. If it's possible for you not to even trim before you put it on your hair or your head, because if you over trim, it will be painful. So I just trim a little. Can you see how it looks like now? I want you to see. This looks like, so can you see, just turning it for you to see how this came out so beautiful. Now, hello guys, just showing you how happy I am with this hairstyle I want to achieve now. I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay my hair down. Very easy way, no stress at all, how I lay it down. So how this hair came out so beautiful. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. I really appreciate each and every one of you so much. Please subscribe. So I need to go now. As I always say, always see you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Mwah.